Plug in the power cord. Turn on the switch. Wait for its self-test action to complete. Wait. Okay, done. We see the software. Show online here. We click Load ink. Then go to the back of the printer and look at the waste ink tube. Confirm ink flow in the tube.
Okay.
After confirmation, software click Stop.
Okay.
Then we click Clean to head all clean weak. We observe the cleaning action, pumping ink, wipe ink on head surface, flushing. Pumping the waste ink. Okay, done. After cleaning, press the Enter button. We need to lift the feeder ruler. Keep it up and don't let go. With other hand, lift the small switch on the right. Okay, loosen them together. Is the roller lifted and fixed? Okay, one more. Left all four. Take out the material. It needs to distinguish between front and back. The matte side is front for printing. We go back to install it. Matte side up. Fix on the bracket on both sides. Compress both sides. Loosen the screw. Then we can move it over all left and right. Move to a suitable location. Push the material forward. Need another person to go the front.
先不用。
Pull the material out. The edge of the material should be pressed under the paper sheet. The material should be centered as much as possible, and the size of pressing on both sides should be the same as possible. Then we tighten the screws on the both sides on the bracket. The roll of the material needs to be tightened so that it cannot unravel. And the edge needs to be remain parallel. Okay. Then we go to the front and tension the material a little bit. Double check the edges are pressed down and the material is centered. Okay.
好，压上吧。
Then put the roller down. Okay, ensure the material is flat. The edge is pressed. Then we go next.